Yep, so that's the first part of the day when I work from home. It's good to get yourself dressed up like as though you're going to work in the office. And usually this is what I wear to the office. Because our office, we have like a flexible dress code. We don't really have a dress code, to be honest. Yeah. And a good breakfast is important to get all the nutrients you need to start your day. Don't skip your breakfast, guys. Wake up early, prepare a good breakfast, take as much time as you need, and only then should you then start your work. It's also fun and all to sit on a sofa and work from your sofa or on your bed. But what I find really helpful is having a proper table and a proper chair. This is not a proper chair. This is a cheap chair. But it works for me. Making sure that your posture is always right is actually really good when you're working from home. If you're always sitting down on a sofa or on your bed, what you realize is you're always hunched, and this part here then becomes painful, which is not a good thing. Also, it's really important to maintain like a strict boundary between your workspace and your life space. So I would highly discourage working from your bed, because if you just work from your bed, you're gonna just work the whole day, either the whole day or you're not gonna work at all. So that could be a problem in terms of productivity and in terms of your work-life balance. So yeah. Yeah, sometimes you have to let loose a little bit and just have fun.
She left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my...
And sometimes if you're working from home alone, it can get really lonely. In most companies, including my company, we have all these kind of sessions with people that are working remotely all across the world. And that's what you should do, because you should be connecting with everyone. And right now we're in one session. Say hello, everyone!
How many of you all had a vacation planned this year and had to cancel it?
Shout bye, everyone! And if you have time during lunchtime or something, you can actually go out for a bike ride to stay healthy and fit. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, go cycle. And that right there is how you spend the whole day working from home. Hope it is beneficial to all of you. If you have other tips on how you can work from home efficiently, leave it in the comments down below so that you can help other subscribers, other viewers as well. So that's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.
Just tell me, why did she go?